Good afternoon. Today we talk about RStudio and its great influence. It is worth mentioning that as a visual aid and infographic will present the most relevant information. RStudio is an integrated development environment IDE for the R programming language, which are focused on statistical analysis and graphics. In addition, it is a completely free software, so it can be downloaded and used without any problems. Restart, which are based of S, a programming language created at Bell Labs in the United States. Since S was the property of these laboratories, it could not be used to three university students decided to create a free implementation of S, which led to the creation of R and in 1992 year, which an initial versions of the language in 1995 year and finally stable versions in 2000. Currently, RStudio is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, or for browsers connected to RStudio Server or RStudio Server Pro. RStudio is used for treatment of any data from real life or society, with the objective of making a statistic analysis aided by creating linear regression models, neural networks, or graphics to draw conclusions about the analysis and to be able to influence in the most optimal way in the decision making of any problem and to do great statistical work. In addition, RStudio is una mission to provide to R statistical computing environment. It enables analysis and development for anyone to analyze the data with R. Some of the main features are syntax highlighting, code auto complementation and smart indexation, run R code directly from the source code editor, quick jump to define a function, interactive debugger to quickly diagnose and correct errors, extensive development tools, and auto chip with solving and R Markdown.
The use of RStudio is quite simple because it consists of several windows, which are the syntax editor where the different processes are called from the codes that relate to the function you need and the one that best suits your need. Another window is the console but basically the function of this one is to show the results that come out of the function execute in the syntax editor. There is also the word environment window and these are the datasets and objects as results, variables, graphics, and etc., which are stored when executing different analysis. And finally, we find a window in which is divided into several tabs, the most relevant of which are where you can see the graphics that are executed and another that are of libraries, which are but basically like extensions in RStudio which serve depending on the need of the executor because each library has its specific data and different functions. The software is widely used by professors, science students, analysts, economics, and actuaries due to its easy and effectiveness in analysis. Our studio has a great impact on your professional life as statisticians. Since this program is a very essential tool when making a good statistical analysis, with you have a very easy to understand interface which makes many of the analysis or investigations are done more quickly. In addition, it helps us to simplify tasks due to the versatility of the program and to create very detailed graphics. Finally, our studio is of interest to use because it's free. It allows you to manipulate any type of data. We can create our own functions for the ease of solving any problem. It is also very advanced when creating graphs and dashboards so that we can present the result visually and even improves it functionally constantly. As it has a very large community behind in that create new functions, correct bugs, and above all document very well everything is due to that the use of function and method is easy and the user level. Thank you very much for your attention.